Singapore is one of the fastest aging societies in the world. By 2026, we will be super aged, where 1 in 5 rather, would be 65 years and above. It's not often that policymakers get to hear the issues faced by policy implementers. So one of the key aims of this particular workshop is to bring together policymakers and policy implementers to co-create some solutions, to understand each other's pain points and co-create solutions so that we get stronger, more responsive policy making for an aged society. The second goal of this particular workshop is really to provide them with an innovation toolkit. Now, most of the time when they go for training programs, it's very siloed. There's one training program on data analytics, another training program on behavioural insights. This is actually one of the rare programs that blend different tools together, because in reality, problems are extremely complex. So the tools that we use got to meet that complexity. If not, we only have piecemeal solutions. That's why we blended data analytics, design thinking and behavioural insights together to think about integrated creative solutions to tackle the aging population, the issue of aging in Singapore.
Over the years, as we run the programs, we have a lot of available data. And the challenge for agencies like us probably is not having enough of the expertise knowledge to know how to use these data usefully to help us to evaluate such programs. And currently in our Active Aging Center, we are also looking at the different types of measures and interventions that we can introduce to really help the seniors, one, to be self-motivated to lead an active life so that they can age successfully, age positively, age healthily.
Some of the key takeaways that I've also learned from the session was about how we can actually enable some of the policies that are being sort of cascaded to us as community partners, and see how we can implement them successfully at the ground level.
This particular program was really focused on senior management within the voluntary welfare organization space, the stakeholders who are actually implementing policy. So looking forward, we may host other more specialized programs. So overall, with new training, new know-how that we'll imbue in this particular sector, this sector hopefully will become stronger. And over time, this sector will play an incredible and important role as Singapore ages.